So, Mark, you mentioned about your sort of like stack. You said, okay, Salesforce and Marketo and maybe some BI will do. So, can you please elaborate more on that?
Um, yeah, at Sitecore we use Power BI. It's probably the best system that I mean, and it can be Tableau, it can be anything. You can be, I mean, at some point you probably want ETL um, to to your cloud or whatever, and reverse ETL to where you clean and then reverse ETL and bring data back in. But I mean, for most companies, I think just a simple BI tool integrating with your Salesforce campaigns. Again, I utilized a really comprehensive hierarchical structure in our campaigns, so you could organize by geo, by corporate, global, et cetera, et cetera. And then if you've got specific large programs, you can break that out. And so you've got a reporting layer, and then your tactical and strategic layer. But the tactical layer in particular is a parent-child relationship. So you've got an event, and then the four things you're doing to promote that. And so when you take that data out, and also one of the nice things about using Salesforce campaigns is you can push your budget information into that too. I know ROI is part of what we're supposed to be talking about. And then you can disaggregate that in a BI tool if you've got a really nice taxonomy, right? So that's one way to go about it that's worked for me at two different companies.